Wait. Okay, ready.
Is this good? Earlier this week, a guard lost his life here at this yellow quarantine facility. The attack is the first of its kind since the cure was developed 5 years ago. Recently, there has been talk about the rise of these so-called cured ones, and some humanitarian organizations are even arguing that may be the time for reintegration.
What's that? Oh my god.
What?
Hi.
Oh.
You're a human. We don't see a lot of you guys around here. Don! There's a human out here. Can I get you a drink?
Oh man, what is that smell?
I can do that.
So, tell me, how long have you been here?
Camp? Oh. Well, I think they placed us in here. I guess it's been about 6 years now.
Oh, that's what you mean about humans earlier, huh?
So, what do you do all day?
We meditate.
I don't meditate.
Well, sometimes you do.
Nothing. I do nothing. That's what I do all day.
Oh, come on. That is not true.
So, you're annoying, Andy. You're always like that.
Easy, man.
Run, man, run!
Are you coming or what?
You always get angry.
Oh, Andy. I'm so sorry.
We can learn from the interview that the resident on the area is still alive, even though accompanied with some mishaps. This is NCN reporting. See you again and goodbye.